As you can imagine, airborne pollutants pose an immediate threat to worker health. Exposure to such contaminants can lead to long-term medical conditions, while also causing environmental harm. Although, like many companies, you understand the importance of regular servicing to minimize the risk of occupational illnesses, respiratory disease, and potential ecosystem contamination, you become overwhelmed by the prospect of implementing an effective servicing program. Understandably so. You see, as a vital part of a broader hygiene practice, regular servicing requires keeping a long, detailed dust collector checklist to ensure collection systems function correctly. The checklist is crucial to help pinpoint potential issues, such as worn-out components, clogged filters, or air leaks. Without timely corrective measures, they could compromise dust collection efficiency and pose health hazards to your workers, owing to the outflow of toxic dust, fume, and mist. Yet you may lack the time and resources to check each controller, cleaning system, and gasket. Equipment to inspect includes filter conditions, compressed air, the hopper discharge device, convey system, dust collector structural elements, ductwork, and fan, all of which must be checked on a routine basis. At Donaldson, we provide comprehensive servicing as part of our industry-leading dust collection maintenance programs. As trusted industry leaders with an extensive network of service providers, we can monitor or fully manage your dust collection equipment for you, letting you and your maintenance team focus on more critical issues. It's all about working collaboratively to ensure you have what you need when you need it. To learn more and increase your peace of mind, please reach out today.